Should I buy Coinbase stock? We're going to go over that in this video. Before we get into it, I just want to point out on the Discord, the link is down below in the description of all the videos. There are scammers on there. Please do not, if somebody messages you, hey, you won crypto, it's 100% a scam. Do not message them. Do not contact them at all. Contact them out or contact me because we will get them removed from the Discord. But continuing on, the good old, Coinbase IPO is what everybody's calling it. It's actually a DPO. It's a direct public offering. So if you're not aware what Coinbase is, it's an exchange right here. Most people when they're new, they sign up for Coinbase, use Coinbase.com, and then you can buy Bitcoin pretty easily. Like right now, they give you a nice incentive, get $5 of free Bitcoin for signing up and getting your ID verified. Like that's pretty simple, right? But we all know on this channel, we do not use Coinbase.com. We use pro.coinbase.com. And why do we do that? Like you may ask, we do that because the fees are ridiculously lower on pro.coinbase.com. Coinbase.com will rob you of fees. It's a little bit more complicated. I understand. You're like, whoa, what is going on there, homie? I just don't get it. That's why there's a video down below for you to watch as, save on those terrible Coinbase fees. Watch that video. You'll understand the basics of this, of how to actually utilize it and save on those ridiculously high fees. So that's pretty cool to see Bitcoin's at 60K even right now. That's pretty cool. But more importantly, this Coinbase IPO, should I buy or should I not buy? Because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you if I should buy. And then you make your own decision based off of your own opinions and your own research. But of course, this article I found here was published about an hour ago. It actually has a lot of great information straight to the point, so we're going to go over it. So it just says that popular cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is making the headlines in a big way because on April 14th they're going to have their DPO, which is a direct public offering. It is not an IPO. That is a misconception with this listing. It's a direct listing, not an initial public offering. So it says perhaps that's because, so it's just saying that Coinbase, it's getting a lot of media coverage. There's a lot of hype right now. A lot of analysts are talking, hey, this thing's going to go to $400 or $500 per stock. But we're going to get there. So it says, but the $1 billion question is, should investors buy the shares once they are available for trading? So we're going over that right now. And it's pretty cool. The Coinbase, going public, the whole IDO, PO. I'm getting all these acronyms confused. It's one of the first. It's the first major cryptocurrency exchange, like it says right here, that is going public. This is a big deal. This is a huge deal. When will we see possibly Binance go public? I mean, you could see other exchanges, maybe Binance US, since that's the US version. We shall see. You could see other exchanges go public. That would be great to see as well. It's good. It's legitimizing the crypto space. Yeah, just saying it's proof that cryptocurrencies are gaining traction and achieving mainstream acceptance. I would also say mainstream adoption. This is just massive right here. It says, after all, not just any company will be accepted to the NASDAQ exchange. That's true. Keep that in mind. Just says that, since Coinbase saying that, hey, Coinbase deserves being listed, It's the largest US-based cryptocurrency exchange. For the buy and high. I mean, I get it. There's people have issues with every exchange, so just keep that in mind. I mean, crypto is all about, decentralization, all about self-sovereignty. So, I mean, at the end of the day, if not your keys, not your crypto, that's a topic for another video. But just as the public offering is well-timed, in my opinion, since price of Bitcoin recently broke through the crucial 50K level. We know right now we're at 60,000. I can show you right now, just under $60,000. Going down though, so it's a huge event, but most importantly, the company will report sell 114.9 million the coin shares. The ticker is coin. I forgot to mention that, COIN, to the public. It just says don't be surprised if the shares are bought up quickly. I wouldn't be surprised either. I guess analysts are saying that Coinbase will be valued between $70 billion to $90 billion, but some also go as high as $100 billion. It's going to be interesting. I mean, is Coinbase really worth $100 billion? That seems like a lot of money just for an exchange. But, I guess we will see. It just says that Coinbase is a fast-growing company. During the first quarter of 2021, Coinbase generated a whopping $1.8 billion in revenues, along with net income between the 730 million to 800 million. Also keep in mind, we're in a bull run. In the bear market, they're not going to be making that money. So just to give you a comparison, for the entire year of 2020, the company generated 1.3 billion in revenue and a profit of 322. But 2020 we just started the bull run. We're getting more of the mania. We're getting closer to the blow off top coming this year. So yeah, I think comparing that is like comparing apples to oranges. I don't think it's the same. Because it says, so will the Coinbase direct offering, the direct listing, not the IPO, be the Nasdaq's most newsworthy event in 2021? It possibly, guys, it might be. This right here is definitely a big deal. There's definitely high trading volume, and the ticker's coin, like I said. Going into some price targets, it's pretty cool that people are calling for the coin. I mean, the coin. Yeah, it literally is coin to go to $440. That's pretty cool to see. I have seen some price targets way over that. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility, so just watch out for that. It's probably going to be like when you get into like an IDO and PokeStarter, things going to do like a solid massive gains, made 10 to 50x gains made immediately, and then the following day it's going to come down. But keep in mind the timing of that is definitely hard to do. You're not going to get it like right. Okay, it may end up pumping the next few days and then dump the next week. Nobody knows for sure, guys. Just a silly dude on the interwebs. So there's a lot of hype. They even caution in this article, says extreme hype can lead to extreme disappointment. Please keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. If you get in, if you make a solid 5x, get out. But then again, maybe you just believe in Coinbase long term and you're holding long term. Have a strategy and stick to it. So just finishing up here, says the bottom line says, no doubt about it, it's exciting to witness this moment in history as Coin stock goes public. Guys, this is the first thing. It's the first thing ever. Coinbase going public. It's just amazing. A first U.S. exchange going public on the Nasdaq. Big deal. But just like they want to remind you at the end of the article, it says, let's not get so caught up in the hype that we end up over leveraging ourselves. A moderate fine position is fine. And as you can always add more shares if the price goes down. I like that. They're keeping it real, because guess what? So many people are going to go 100% in buying. They're like, well, there's only 114 million. They said it right here. There's only 114.9 million. I got to get as many as I can. And then they get wrecked. So watch out for that. I wouldn't be surprised to see a big move. But think about people are buying it privately. So, stay tuned for that too. We shall see what happens. And just curious, do you guys use Coinbase.com or do you guys use pro.coinbase.com? Let me know down below. Are you guys going to buy Coinbase stock? I'm personally not going to. I'm not going to buy the stock. Why do I want to buy the stock? I'd rather buy Bitcoin. That's just my personal opinion, or buy some other altcoins. I did just buy a new altcoin. It's posted down below in the crypto enthusiast community on the Patreon if you guys want to know what that coin is. I think it's a possible 50 to 100x altcoin out there, but I'd rather buy an altcoin or Bitcoin than buy Coinbase stock. I just don't see the point. It's like, why buy MicroStrategy Incorporated or Tesla when you can just buy Bitcoin? Because they're just buying more Bitcoin. So why not just buy the real thing? That's just my opinion. I would love to hear your opinion down below. And as always, guys, I'm just a silly dude on the internet. Smack that subscribe button if you're new here, and smack that like button if you guys like the video. I just want to thank you for tuning in today, and have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys all in the next one. And until then, may the gains be with you.